Welcome to the Walkie Talkies Ben Nevis short film. We spent 5 days in the beautiful town of Fort William walking, sightseeing and of course having a cheeky pint whenever we had chance. But that was nothing compared to the incredible views we had climbing Ben Nevis itself. First and foremost though, let's meet the team. Steph Parsley, world traveler.
Jake Burston, the mountain goat.
Alison Burston, what time is it? Time for another gin and tonic. Hannah Burston, life of the party. Sarah Johnson, the party animal.
Ben Mawson, whiskey connoisseur. Thomas Johnson, the overprepared cameraman.
Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, never has his phone and the boss. Charlie Burston and Harvey Brackenberry, the carbonara vapors. Sheila Walshaw,
¿Cómo estás? Ya sabes.
Sooty Johnson, the dog that doesn't like Ben.
Eight hours later we had reached the first house in which the supporters would be staying. As you can see, Sooty was loving the ability to roam free on his own. Not long after this we continued our journey down the road to Fort William.
Day 2 was coming to a close, and while us young ones sipped our rum and cokes in the living room, Sarah and Alison were hard at work making us all little lunch packs for the trying day ahead.
It was here. The big day had arrived. We had our bags packed, sticks strapped, and we were ready to begin the great adventure. But first, it would be rude of us not to introduce our guide. He was an absolute legend after all.
Alan Dorward. The man, the myth, the mountaineer legend.
And now for the day you've all been waiting for. We had so many pictures and videos plus the footage on Tom's GoPro, so please enjoy a compilation of everything we captured that day and the true magnificence of the great Ben Nevis. halfway point. We used the glacier water from this eloquent waterfall to refill our supply and then pushed on. Next stop, the summit of the mountain.
So, if you don't know, my name's Tom. I was the cameraman, and unfortunately, I did not make it to the top of the mountain. You know, being the guy that does the videos, I struggled a lot coming home from Scotland and trying to figure out how I was going to edit this video, because it's been a very hard thing for me to get over. You know, that I couldn't do the whole walk. I mean, I even considered cutting myself out of the video entirely, but upon some reflection, I have realised the true enormity of my achievement. Climbing as high as I did, considering how much pain I was in, how much I was struggling. I mean, I was walking slower than the rotation of the Earth. But at the end of the day, I made it nearly an hour from the top with a very heavy pack on, you know, and the views up there were out of this world. Honestly, I can't recommend this walk enough. It was the greatest experience of my life.
I'll keep putting the video just for you.
There's cubicles. The dog's not impressed.
It never is.
He's like, yeah, whatever.
After the hike, it was safe to say we were all thoroughly knackered. We got back, washed up, the lovely carbonara vapors cooked us some tea, and we were planning to get out on the sesh. However, it wasn't looking too energetic in the house.
We're supposed to be going for a drink or two at the Van Nevis pub, and we're still, but yeah.